What's up, everyone? So, another unboxing! Tananan! Mag-unbox tayo. May mga bago tayong dating. So, let me get my scissor first. I don't have a scissor pala dito. Wait lang. Haha! Hello pala sa YouTube channel. So, excited na ako mag-unbox, guys. Wait lang. So, bago tayo umano dun sa, ito muna. So, let's open these. Tanan! Na-open ko na siya. This is a... Oh, wow, may lagayan. May lagayan, may lagayan. May lagayan siya, guys. May lagayan. This is a... Oh, this is the ND filter. Yan, this one. The filter, it's control the light na pumapasok sa cam. So, this one, yan, kita nyo. So, it's becoming dark, then black. There you go. Yan. That's a ND filter. So, it's adjustable. Yung binili natin. So, sticks! So, isa ako excited. Sana hindi peke yung nabili ko doon. Pero mismong official store naman to eh. Mall ba? Mall. Let's see. How do you open this? Pakahirap. Oh! Huh? So it's a box. What? You! Moment of truth. Tanan guys. Sabay-sabay natin. Tanan! It's a gimbal. It's a DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. Kapag isa kang videographer, video enthusiast, and isa kang videographer enthusiast at saka photography, gamit na gamit to. Sorry, wala pa akong maayos na pang unbox. So, ganito muna tayo. Let's go! Okay na ba yung tsura ko? Yeah. We have our... Labas na natin yung mga gamit. Oh, we have our gimbal here. I think this is the gimbal. Yes! What? It's white. It's black. We have our gimbal here. We have our manual. What's this? We have the car charger. I think it's the cord. It's the cord. Yeah, this one is a sensor. Para mag-follow through siya. This one is the bracket. Lagay ng phone. So, set up ko na siya. Aralin ko siya. Tada! Tapos, tada! Yeah. So, babasahin na natin yung manual. So, yun, na-set up ko na siya. Then, nag-firmware update pa siya. Pero, kuha tayo ng shots sample for this. Tapos, ayun. Okay na tayo. Yun lang unbox natin kaya. Yay. Yung ibang shots doon, handheld lang. So, medyo maalog. Hindi ko naman pa... Pero sa mga susunod na, susunod na content, mas magagamit natin siya. Yun lang.